Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete Google Classroom. So in order to do that, all you have to do now, you can open your Google Classroom, and here we go. In order to delete, let's practice by create a class first. Then you can name your class, for example, then create. So maybe you want to fill the section or the subjects, feel free to try. So here you can create announcement, announce something to your class, or use announcement. You got it. So this is where you can talk to your class. You can use the stream to share announcements, post assignments, and respond to the student question. You can click to get to adjust or configure stream settings. And here there is upcoming, no work due in soon. You can click to view all, nothing to review right now. And here you can click home right now in order to delete this. So here you can click three dots and click archive. Now you can simply click next and click archive. Now the class is gone. One class is archived. And next you can click archive classes box, and again you can click three dots and just simply click delete. So you will no longer have access to any posts or comments that have been added to this class. Class files will remain in Google Drive. You cannot undo this action, just click delete. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.